The first thing we're going to need is a temporary workbench. Next we'll need a few tools. Some thin boards for the feet and braces, thick boards for the legs, and finally some large and some small nails. Next you need to measure the height of your knee. Mine's around 500mm or 20 inches. Next we'll measure and mark out the 2 sets of legs. A little later I found out that this square isn't actually square, so it's best to check that early. Measure and mark out the second set of legs and the tops the same way. Measure and mark out 4 pieces of the thin boards for the braces. These need to be the same length as the tops. Use your saw to cut all the pieces along those lines you marked. Those pieces on the ground are a set of feet that I cut to the wrong length. We'll be fixing them in the next step. Use the same methods to measure and mark out 4 pieces of the thin boards to make the saw stool feet. Measure and mark the taper for the first of the feet. You'll find that one of the cuts is very difficult and awkward to make. Once you've marked and cut the first foot, you can use it as a template to mark the others. Use one of the leg pieces to mark the centre line on all 4 feet. Start hammering some long nails into the feet. I only put in 2 here, but later I changed it to 4. Mark off the ends of both of the top pieces and start 4 long nails into each one. Next, carefully measure and attach the legs to the tops. Now make a little stack of blocks on the corner of your bench and attach the first foot. Make sure you don't nail into your support blocks. Turn it over and clinch the nails down. This will make the joint a lot stronger. Nail on your two support braces. It's best to nail the bottom one first, that will make sure the legs are parallel. I like to fit the two braces on opposite sides of the saw stool, but it's your own personal choice. I nail the second foot on after I have the saw stool upright to make sure that it won't be wobbly. Don't hammer the nails into your toes, just go far enough to get them started. Move the saw stool to the corner of your bench to finish the job. Looks like it's time for a test. I've also made this double version of the saw stool for rip sawing. You can find free plans for these two projects on the website. Check out the links in the video description. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.